Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix access data not showing in Instagram, or how to solve access data not showing in Instagram problem. For example, if I should go into the Instagram app and tap on my profile pic in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner and select your activity, and from here I'll select account history. As you can see here, my access data is not showing. Now to fix that, you'll need to go into your device browser, for example Google, and from here you simply want to go on Instagram.com, and once you go on Instagram.com, you're going to enter your login information, and after you have entered your login information, you'll be directed to this page, your profile page, and from here you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog in the top left hand corner, and you're going to select privacy and safety. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you will see account data. You're going to tap on view account data, and from here you can select whichever option you like, whichever access data you like. For example, if you like to see accounts you follow or accounts following you, you can simply tap on the option, or accounts that you have blocked. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.